How to make an automatic sliding door in Roblox Studio. Create a part for detecting players. Name it Trigger Zone. Create 2 door parts. Name them left door and right door. Select all parts. Set anchor. Select only trigger zone part. Set can collide to false. Select all parts, group as a model, and name it AutomaticDoor. Add a script to the AutomaticDoor model. Writing the script. This script creates an automatic sliding door that opens when a player enters the trigger area and closes when all players leave. Getting services, door parts, and trigger zone. Storing the closed positions. Controls how far each door slides. Calculating open positions. Creates the sliding door effect. Tween animation settings. Door animation lasts 0.5 seconds. Makes the motion smooth and natural. You can slow it down or speed it up easily. Creating open and closed tweens. Tracking players inside the zone. Checking if the toucher is a player. Ensures only players can open the door. When something touches the trigger zone, checks if it belongs to a player. Increases the player count. Door opens only when the first player enters. When a player leaves the zone, decreases the counter. Door closes only when no players remain inside. The counter is clamped to prevent negative values. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.